Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. So I want you to go to my website because TLC has a 48-hour promotion on allowing people to sign up in the business and just choose one product that they like to try and now use it. So TLC, despite of all of the coronavirus and people losing their jobs and all of this stuff, TLC, we still are growing. Okay, we still are growing. But TLC said, you know what? We want more people to start businesses in this recession. We want more people to start businesses in this recession. So TLC said, you know what? We're going to allow you to start for free. We're going to give you all the business tools for free. You just got to buy one of our amazing products. You can choose the vitamins, you can choose the NRG, you can choose the resolution, you can choose one of our creams. So this is how you do it, guys, right? You land on my page and then you go to become a member, right? And you're going to scroll all the way down. And you're going to click sign up as a life changer. You're going to click on sign up as a life changer. Now, depending on if you're in the United States or not, if you're in Hong Kong, well, not Hong Kong, we're not going there right now. New Zealand, the Philippines, right now, depending on where you at, this is worldwide. Okay, so I'm choosing United States. Nope, not Louisiana. Wait. I got to choose my country that I'm in, which is United States. Become a member. I'm going to choose sign up as a life changer. I'm going to choose United States and I'm going to click on join. We recommend that you get the NutriBurst because the NutriBurst allows you to build up your immune system, from this whole pandemic, right? So that's a way because it has fruits and vegetables and whole foods, right? And herbs inside of this vitamin that is actually liquid, right? So you sign up. So usually the digital kit is $50, right? Usually it's $50, but it's not $50. They're allowing you to get all of this for free. Okay. Welcome to TLC. You're going to get IASOT. You're going to get 50 sample credits and $50. So instead of you paying the $50, we're going to actually give you $50 in sample credits. So as soon as you get started, we're giving you money to be able to now go and sample out some of the tea to your people. Okay. And the guide to the top 5 products so that you can understand it. The TLC book so that you can write your goals, right? The welcome letter, some marketing, materials for you guys and a whole lot more. So you're getting a kit for $50, which is worth way more. Plus, you're getting $50 in samples. So you're getting a free $100 literally to join TLC in the next 48 hours. So you add this to your cart. English, you're getting that for free. If you want to try all the CBD products, you click on that. If you just want to try an individual product, you scroll all the way down, go to health and wellness, and you choose one of the individual. Here's what I recommend. I recommend the NutriBurst. Right? You can get the NutriBurst if you just want to get one, or you can get 2. You add 2, if you want to. You put 2, however many you want. NutriBurst, right? We also recommend the chaga, right, to help build your immune system against this whole pandemic that's going on. We also recommend Gano. Okay, these are herbs. And we also recommend Tichui, which is spirulina, which also helps to build up your immune system. But you can choose whichever one you would like. If you want to try the lemon CBD tea, you just click here. Depending on how many you want, you add that to cart. And it ships in 2 days, okay? You choose exactly what you want. Let's just say you want to get the Tichui. Okay, then you click on continue and it's going to ask you for your information. It's going to ask you for your name. It's going to ask you for, your number, give you all of your information. Make sure everything is lined up. Make sure everything makes sense. You're going to get your own free website. You're going to get $100 free worth of free, products. And then you're going to get your own free website. Now you create a smart ship. Okay, don't put I would not like to to create a smart chip at this time. Yes, you would. Okay, your smart chip, now you can choose anything that you want to. Let's just say you choose the NutriBurst. You definitely need the NutriBurst. You and your children need the NutriBurst. Put 2 NutriBursts, right? Put 2 NutriBursts to get every single month. It's $100 to be able to help boost up your immune system. Okay, so put your auto ship, and this is the only way you're going to get paid with TLC as well. If you're on an active auto ship, and you just simply click continue. Okay, and then you pay for your products only, and you're joining a business for free, and you're going to get your business kit in about 3 days. Now you fill out all your information, whatever you need, whatever you want your website to be. It can be healthy with your name, .com, get money with your name.com, 2020 is mine, whatever, whatever you feel unique to you is. Okay. So this is how you sign up, right? So myherbtea.com. Or go to cbdhealthoil.net, guys, and sign up for free. Add 1 product or 2 products, and you're literally going to be in business instantly. And I'm doing a training, tonight. And if you can't catch the live, you'll be able to catch the replay on literally, guys, how to start making $100 a day in this recession with these health and wellness products, guys. cbdhealthoil.net, guys. See you at the top.